Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new spreadsheet on the Quip application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and after that tap on the all files button. Click on this icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on new spreadsheet. Then you should be able to find this spreadsheet, and feel free to adjust the columns and rows. So you can type in the first row, fill in the first column as well. If you want to add numbers, feel free to do so by tapping on the second icon. You can make adjustments on the table itself. You can make your text bold. You can italicize, underline, or strike through it. You can insert a row above and below, insert a column left and right, delete row, delete a column as well. You can select the background color of it. You can sort by column and add a sheet or delete a sheet too. If you are done with the changes, click on the done button. Then you can insert someone. You can also add a comment to it. If you tap on a relevant row or column, you can add your comment, and if you are done with the changes, tap on the done button, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.